This is cute. Alrighty guys, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you who are new, if you are not new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. Today's video is brought to you by Chantiche hair. I got this from them and I got it from their Amazon portion of their company or their brand. So big shout out to them for sending me this unit. So this unit right here is super duper cute. I really like it. Already starting off saying super duper cute, but y'all know. So a little bit of details of this unit, you guys. This unit is 16 inches long. It is, you know, kind of a super curly unit, so it is 16 inches with it being curled. I had to correct myself a little bit there, but yeah, it's 16 inches with it being curled. So this length right now is 16 inches. If you decide to color it, I mean not color it, if you decide to straighten it or anything like that, it will be a little bit longer, I'm sure, because you know you straighten it out. So the color is just a natural black. It's off black 1B, and then it is 130% density, so that's about how thick it is. I definitely don't feel like it needs to be any thicker, but for some reason, I know if you guys are like original watchers of my channel, then you know that I don't usually go for big hair, but big hair has kind of been like a move, like a look lately for me, and I'm really feeling this. And I feel like I might be feeling this even more because I have my part over here on the right, and I never wear my part on the right, y'all. Now I am going to probably wet this with some water because originally it does come more curly than this. The reason it isn't as curled and a little bit bigger right now is because I bleached the knots and had to wash it, and I let it air dry, and during that washing, you know, washing arrangement kind of got a little tangled, so I had to comb it out, of course, and then it gets bigger once you comb it out. So that's why it's pretty much this, you know, that's why you're getting all of this right now. But I promise if you put some water on it, it'll dim it down a little bit. But I really like how big this looks. Like it just gives me like offset vibe, I don't know. But so I did not use any glue for this unit, you guys, and let me tell you what I did to make it a glueless unit. So the combs that come inside of it, I cut all the combs out because I wanted to just be able to be like put on and take off with ease without the combs getting tangled into my hair or into my wig cap. Then the adjustable straps in the back, I cross them and I make them like as tight as possible because it makes it squeeze and tug to your head. Now, as you guys know, you do the glueless wig, of course, it can get snatched off pretty easy, but for the most part, if you're not having like a super duper active day, and when I say active, I mean like if you're a gymnast or something, doing flips or something, you know, even I feel like even if I did a cartwheel in this though, that it wouldn't come off. But the point is, what I mean is that it is secure, you guys. Like I can move my head, shake, dance, all of that, and my unit's not going anywhere, like anywhere, okay, period. But no, I'm serious, it's really not gonna go anywhere. The lace was a little bit light, and I don't think it came from me bleaching it, it's just how it was, because when I put it on I could tell like the different color vibes it was giving. So I used some of my powder to make it more tinted, like right there in the area where the parting is really showing. I use this Black Radiance powder. This one is in Black Coffee, so I really like that one for like just giving a little tint to my lace. So I'm gonna pull this up so you can actually see how it's not glued down at all, but it's blending like perfectly. So up and then down, up, down, up. I curled it a little bit. All right, so yeah, so once you do that, it's, you know, it's pretty much laid right now. I used some mousse on it and some of my glue and my flat iron just to make it like flat right in here. But other than that, y'all, that's all I did to my unit, and it's basically ready to go. Like this is just cute. Like that's my only description. I have nothing bad to say about it. I mean, the Chantiche wigs I've tried in general have all just been amazing. This is the third one I've tried from them, and I'm absolutely in love with this one. So y'all should definitely get this unit. If you like this style, you should get it. Now it is like a full lace frontal right here, so you can part it however you want. You don't have to wear it on your right side like me. You could wear a middle part, you could wear a side part, you could wear it all pushed back, any of that. So you got all the versatility options in there, styling options. So yeah, This unit is lit. I mean, that's all I can say about it. I'm going to pull it up on Amazon so you guys can see what it looks like. I just always like to give people like a very, you know, good view of what you're getting. So let me show you. I'll pull it up. So this one is the Chantiche lace wig, 13x6 lace frontal wig, human hair with baby hair, pre-plucked Brazilian Remy curly human hair wig, and it's in 16 inches. So this is what it looks like on the app. If you shop on Amazon, this unit is right now, you know, prices can change sometime. Right now it's $111.99, basically $112. So it is over $100, but you guys have to think about all the stuff that you could do with the unit and how long it's gonna last. So this is a unit that will really last a long time. So I mean, the money you put in it, I feel like you get your money's worth. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just kind of trying to figure out if I want to put water on this or not, because I really like how this looks like this. This is cute. Alright, you guys, so this is what the unit looks like dry. So this is dry and not combed out to make it bigger. So as you can see, it still looks pretty, I would say, I don't want to say thick, but it still looks pretty full. That's a good description. It still looks pretty full with it being wet and then blow dried and not combed out. It's not as big on this side, but you catch the vibes. So yeah, that is what it looks like with it being in its natural state, basically. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about it, like I always say, leave a comment below and I'll make sure I answer that for you. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. And then if you already are subscribed, thank you. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.